Today we are going to walk you through the overview of Excel, right? Things that you need to know. If you open Microsoft Excel, you will see a window with a lot of different functionalities, different options, right, that you are going to work with, right? So let's get to know our workspace. First of all, you have here the title bar, which has the name of your file, and then you have next to it your quick access toolbar where you can customize, right? You can customize the quick access toolbar. Maybe you want to add, you want anything here that you want to add, you can add it on your quick access toolbar and you can remove it, right? You can remove it. And then you have here the logo of Excel. And if you click on that logo, you will see restore, right? So what restore means is that it's going to zoom out. As you can see, it's going to zoom your window out and you can come here and maximize it. You can also minimize it as well. So as you can see, our tab, you can see this is the quick access, this is the title bar and how it works. So, and below the title bar, we have the various tabs, right? These tabs are for different functionalities, right? For example, home is for getting your colors, your numbers formatted in a way that you want, sorting and filtering, finding, right? All of these things is for the home tab, and the rest of it has their own functionalities. You have the search box here as well. You can search for anything that you forgot. Maybe you forgot where the sort option is, or you forgot the sum. You can just search in the search box and you are going to have it here. Okay, and then we have the share option here, right? So you want to share, you want to collab with others, you want to share your file with other person, someone that you want to work with. You can share your file with them. This is the ribbon. This is the ribbon. Every tab has its own ribbon. So this is the ribbon of the home tab. There are groups in ribbon. So each group, you will see a title for the group down here, and then you will see if there are more functionalities to that group that cannot fit within here. You will see an arrow right here. There is called a dialog launcher box. So we have the name box on here that shows you the address of your cell. So if you are in a cell, the name box is going to show you the name. For example, if you go in any cell here, it's going to display on the name box. And you have the formula bar. The formula bar here has to do with the content that is within that cell, right? If it is a formula, maybe it is a sum formula, or it is average formula, or they are just letters or random numbers. Here it's going to be in this formula bar. You are going to see them there. On this ribbon as well, you have a drop down menu that has to do with full screen, that right, you can show how your ribbon should be looking like. You can show full screen mode. You can show tabs only, right? For example, let's click on show tab only, right? So we are going to be clicking on the tab before our ribbon shows out, right? As for me, I don't like to do that. I like my ribbon to be showing all the time. So you can change to whatever setting you want to you know put on your work. Down here we have sheet. This is our worksheet, and you can use a plus sign to add a new work. For an example, if I click on the plus sign, you will see a new worksheet will be added to my work, right? A new worksheet will be added. You can rename the worksheet by double clicking on it and spelling what you want to spell there, and it is going to change your worksheet, as you can see. This is accessibility. This accessibility here, it is, for an example, where something is not really clear, yeah, that someone will see, yeah. So it is going to automatically access that, and it's going to increase the contrast of that work. As you can see, ready here, ready more. What does it mean? Is that your worksheet is ready to be worked on. You are ready to type anything within your worksheet. You have normal here. It means the display of your worksheet. It is in normal mode where you can see every part of it, and then you have, when we click it, it is in normal mode already. So if you click this page layout, you will see how the different pages are, right? You will see how the different pages are. And then if you click this preview, you will see, because we are only in a cell, that is why we have this only. So this is what we have to be printed, right? You can see what you have to be printed in the preview setting, right? So if we have a content, If we have a content in this cell, we are going to be seeing the display. All of the content that we have, it is going to display here. And then we have the zoom option here, right? You can zoom, you can zoom in and out by using this. You can zoom in, you can zoom out by using this, and it is really pretty easy, right? Yeah, that is it for the overview of Microsoft Excel.